Hi everyone, Baldy vlogger here. Just call myself a Baldy driver. Anyway, I'm just doing a little trip today. Knightswood, I think I'm in. I'm going to down past Anniesland, Kelvindale, Maryhill, and just a 10-minute journey. And that's it, because I've got to get to work. I moves it down, I don't want that, else I'll get copyrighted. Yeah, so 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes anyway. Let's go over this busy junction. Busy junction, there's nobody here. It can be a busy junction during the day. Go down Great Western Road. Remember I mentioned Great Western Road in one of my other videos. It was up the other end, well it's still going on all the way up here. Get Anniesland Cross up here. We've got to go through. Well, I don't actually go through it. I'm just going to take a left. Anniesland Cross is a big roundabout. I don't even call it a roundabout. Yeah, but it's big junctions. Junctions everywhere. See, if you're not from here, you don't know what you're doing. See, if you're from America or somewhere like that, especially if they're driving the other side of the road, and hired a car round here somewhere, and then this is the first junction you came across first, and you want to try and get to the right over there. Well, you're on the wrong way now. You want to get to the right, but you want to try and get somewhere. You'll just take the car back after this roundabout. I don't even know if you call it a roundabout. It's one that's just Anniesland Cross. I suppose it's a cross, but there's all junctions here, there, and everywhere. Very difficult. I'm used to it, but I can imagine if you're not. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna go up Bearsden Road. Bearsden? What's Bearsden? Bearsden Road, Temple Road. That's where I'm going. Cowell Road, Sandbag Street. In that sort of area. And that's just a little trip, this one. Today, I'll give you a few long trips. I want to see how the small journeys go on the algorithms on YouTube. Eventually. Sitting here for ages at traffic lights. That's just the teasers that green in front. That's not for me. We're off. Let's put my indicator on because I'm going left. I don't call that block of flats, but it's a big massive block of flats to my right. I think they're council flats, but I think that, I won't mind staying in it myself. If you keep yourself to yourself, I think it'd be an amazing view up there. You got Asda on your... No, you haven't. You've got Morrison's on your doorstep. If you drive 15 minutes up that way, up this way, you've got wow. What have you got? You've got nothing. You've got Milkay, Bearsden and all that, but after that you've just got start of the West Island Way, start of the better looking parts of Scotland. Anyway, it's actually like a city, of course. City's alright. There's a Christmas tree. We've got a Christmas tree up. This one, Motorwork Garage. It's always something that gets I'm not saying it gets set on fire, it always catches on fire and something else appears. Well, let's see what happens to that place, see if it stays a while. I mean, the last two places burnt down. So this is Temple Road, it's next to the canal. There's a pub back there called, I think it's called Lock 27. And looks very nice on a summer's day. I'll rephrase that. It'll look very nice on a sunny summer's day in Scotland. So summer's day is not always sunny. But this week coming up, it's meant to be lovely. The weekend is meant to be 27 degrees. Oh, I haven't done the time check. date check. Right, I'm on Tuesday. Oh, no, I'm on Wednesday morning. So Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning. So it's Wednesday morning. It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock on a Wednesday morning. And what date is it? It is the 8th of July. 8th of July 2025. Alright, these roadworks here, these traffic lights, they've been here for about, I'll say about 6 to 8 months now. Maybe more, I'm not sure. Nothing gets done quick around here. Nothing even gets done in normal time, let alone quick. I don't mind just normal time. So I just gotta wait here obviously till green light shows. See my adaptive lights going up and down there? Because it knows there's a car coming. There it is. There, it's gone down so it doesn't blind him. I don't even have to do it. It's on I-beam but it's not showing into the car's windows or anything. He was a bit close coming past me. Yeah, because it shines away from the actual windscreen of the car, these lights. So I can just keep it, just put on auto, it keeps an I-beam, everywhere apart from where somebody is. Normally goes to the signs. Oh, here we go, I'll stop rambling, I'm going now. Right, down here. I mean, what are they doing? Are they fixing a roundabout? Why take 8 months to fix a roundabout? Oh, I don't know. Maybe they're building up a living quarters. Living quarters. Don't get mixed up with the words here. This is live. Well, I'm not actually doing live, but no editing. That's what I mean. One shoot video. So what I say goes out. Yeah. So this is. Oh my goodness! It's just stopped speed ramps here, haven't they? Cowell Road. Let's see if we can get through these lights. Nope. They see you coming, and they go to red on purpose. Right. So there's. You've missed it now, but you see the street I'm on. To the right is where they filmed. The flats where they filmed Still Game. Don't know if you've ever watched Still Game, but if you've never watched it, it's a Scottish comedy, but it's hilarious. I'm English and I find it hilarious. Go to season 1. I think it might be on Netflix. Check around, but I think it might be. It was anyway. Season 1. I think there's maybe 7 seasons. I'm not sure. Anyway, watch them all from the beginning. Amazing. So funny. Still Game. You Scottish people know what I'm talking about. That's advertising the Big Arch burger there. I had it the other day. I'm not going back to McDonald's for a while. I probably will go back to it eventually, but for a while because it was like a tenner for a meal and it was disgusting. It was falling apart in my hands. So nearly there. That's is that about 10 minutes? I'm not sure. Can't see my phone. Just press record and leave it over the other side of the car. Stop here and stop the phone. Stop recording. So that's me. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a check out my other driving videos, and I shall post more soon. Bye. Goodbye.